Clean, calm, convenient, beautiful resort, clean premises and rooms, helpful staff. Love the on-beach location. The resort has a selection of beach chairs and is located right next to various beach huts offering drinks, food, massages, etc. The resort a little tucked away from town, which is a positive or negative depending on what you're looking for. They offer a complimentary shuttle to town, but you have to make your own way back. It's walkable if you're inclined. Breakfast buffet was wonderful. Large selection, everything good. Despite being family-friendly with kids out and about, the resort was still one of the most peaceful I've stayed at, except one sour note: the walls are thin and our neighbor woke us up in the middle of the night yelling about something. All in all, though, I'd totally stay at Amora again. New hotel, clean, excellent breakfast. Very clean, friendly and helpful staff. 30 to 40 minutes to airport. Breakfast was very good. Facilities, pools and sunbeds are enough. Even hotel was full, not crowded. Strongly recommended. Great place, loved our stay here. Best worth the money. Death will come again. Wonderful stay. Staff is very friendly upon checking in. Guided us to our room and introduced the facility around. Swimming pool was as nice. The beach is located right outside of the resort, very convenient. Room is clean and comfortable too. Very nice and clean. The resort is too beautiful and clean. We celebrated my birthday and they are so kind to give me a cake and welcomed us with delicious drinks. We even get another round of it. Staff are very kind and accommodating. The beach has very fine sand and food has many choices. We love our stay.